2022. 2022. Panini. WWE. Prizm. Hobby. Come on down. We'll leave the box up here, I guess. Release day is Friday for some WWE, I believe. I'm gonna be here for it. I was originally gonna swap with the Hama, but I think he's gonna be in Disneyland or something. I would love to hit an Undertaker. I've hit an Undertaker out of this before, I believe. Good luck, everybody. This is a really fun product, and to the best of my understanding, which is not that amazing, but I believe that the Tips, isn't the Tiff Stratton 101 auto still out there hypothetically? Ooh, I think, I don't know if that's backwards or a redemption, but we're about to find out. All right, you know what? This thing is just like. Panini doesn't. I don't want this thing to fall over. I'm just gonna. I don't want to. All right, there we go. I don't want it to fall over. I don't need to be building castles over here. No way! What does he have against Disneyland, Nick? What's up with that? We like Disneyland. Especially in this channel. Exactly. That's exactly. I agree. No falling over vintage. This just doesn't wants to fall over. All right, everything's ready to go here. Good luck, everybody. Let's hit some bangers here to finish our eve, shall we? Let's get all situated with the top loads and the sleeveys. Good luck. Here we go. That's really funny, Nick. Wow, he must really hate Disney. All right, here we go. Wagner on the rookie piece. Good luck, everybody. Some of these are upside down. When they are, I just flip them right back up. Alexa Bliss on the Hyper. Caden Carter on the Red Wave. I think these are unnumbered, right? Red Wave. Ruby Wave, excuse me, for Shend. Ruby Wave for Shend. Drew McIntyre on the Fearless. Guru on the Rookie. Upside down, triple. Stacy Keibler. This reminds me of the girl from Full House. Stacy Keibler. Candice LeRae on the Silver. Booker T, not Booker T in the MGs, just Booker T on the Red. Unnumbered. Oh, that is numbered, excuse me. Red non-auto for Nick Cho, Booker T. Numbered to, I think, $2.99. Cena. Duke Hudson. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Come on. Danny Luna on the Rookie Hyper. Sheamus on the Red Wave. Ruby Wave. I keep doing that. Ruby Wave. Ruby Tuesdays. They got me back and forth flipping these cards up and down. Doing the best I can for you guys. Stone Cold on the base. A rookie of Joe Gacy, Bailey, Hartwell, all these upside downers. Hulk Hogan on the upside down silver. And then Rey Mysterio is going to be our first auto here, the Superstar autograph of Rey Mysterio. I think that's a base auto for vintage, unless I'm mistaken. It's been a minute since I opened this stuff up. But Kimmy Gibbler, yes, that's the name. That's her. Kimmy Gibbler, Stacy Keibler. Stacy Keibler reminds me of Kimmy Gibbler. I'm sorry I said it. You don't see it, Flatty Daddy? Who knows Booker T and the MG's most famous song? It is Full House. I said Full House, didn't I? I said it was Full House. I believe it. That was a card sticking to the floor there. All right, Prismatic. Prismatic. Rookie of Zion. Hero on the rookie. Some upside downers. Let's make them right side uppers. Tamina, Solo, Cesaro, Dexter, Casey. Then we have Rikishi on the silver. Noam Dar. I have no idea who this gentleman is. He looks like a soccer player. Who is this guy? This guy looks like a soccer player. Did we accidentally get a soccer player in a wrestling product? I'm so confused. Noam Dar. I have no idea who this guy is. I'm sorry. I don't know. I don't know the WWE UFC stuff. I mean, I know this isn't UFC, but I know it from like when I was a kid, like the older guys. Noam Dar is definitely not from when I was a kid, though. NXT champion, really? So he's not nobody. Donnie Luna on the rookie. Bivens on the what do they call this? Cracked ice. They call this from Harlem. Rampage on the non-auto red. That should have a number on it, Nick. It does. To $2.99 on Rampage Brown. Connors rookie. Gable Stevenson rookie. That's good. We'll take it. We like Gable Stevenson. Isn't he an Olympic gold medalist or something? Trish Stratus base. Silver upside down of Shinsuke Nakamura. Leg kick going on high there. Trent 7. That's purple to 149. The James Bond number, 007 out of 149 on Trent 7. Who's got the purple non-auto? Purple non is Shend. There's Io, Randy Orton, Joe Coffey, Carmelo. We press on. We press on. Some interesting stuff coming up. We'll see. Let's flip these right side. Sammy, Shinsuke, Hulk Hogan, Candice, Solo Sikoa. Solo Sikoa. Sikoa. Cracked Ice, rookie. That's all I know. And then look at Wendy Chu. Rookie to $2.99 on the non-auto red. Red is getting it done. The red is getting it done. A-Kid on the rookie. Seth freaking Rollins. MVP, there's The Rock, and you smell what The Rock is cooking. Dave Mastiff on the silver and an upside-down purple of an upside-down gentleman on the card. Dominic Mysterio to 149 in the purple piece. So 2 purples now in this 2-box break. It's kind of a really cool picture. Let me just top load. Un segundo. Take care of your guys' cards, you know? Don't you know, Bobby? Yeah, I'm down to eat, Sarah, but I gotta do this break first. But yeah, we can eat afterwards. Dun 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Grab the cracked ice out of there real quick. Okay, we press on. Malik Blade on the rookie. The upside downer does not make our life easier. It really doesn't. Nash, rookie of Lash legend, the Great Khali on the hyper. Nikki Ash on the Ruby Wave. There's Odyssey Jones rookie, Kenny Williams rookie, Stevie Turner, excuse me. We got some sort of blue coming up. Rampage Brown, Amelia McKenzie rookie, silver of Io. And then there's our guy again, the soccer player, Noam Dar. He's not actually a soccer player, I'm sorry. I couldn't help myself. To 199. The champ is here. Noam Dar on the blue non-auto for Mini-Me. Your first hit of the break. We take Noam Dar. Lewis. There's Julius Creed. I apologize that I don't know this stuff better. But I still really enjoy breaking it for you guys and trying to hit good cards for you. Damian Priest on the hyper. R-Truth on the Ruby Wave. And then is this our auto? No, it's not. I'm lying. It's Brock Lesnar on a Fearless. Just kidding. No, I am just kidding. Big hearty handful here that I'm going to have to put back down because there's too many good cards in there. All right, let's get back to it. These upside downers are killing me. You're killing me, Smalls. Electra Lopez on the cracked ice rookie. Josh Briggs to 299 red. There's Becky Lynch on the silver. That's a silver Fearless. Solo on the rookie. We got some numbered here. Stone Cold on the silver. That's nice. And then in Aqua, upside down, of course, but it's Triple H. That seems like a fun card. Triple H on the Aqua. What do they call? What color is this? What do they call this? Oh, teal, of course. Teal to 49 for Shen. 6 out of 49 in the Triple H. He's a name I recognize. Nice teal there. And it's well centered. Maybe a tiny bit heavy bottom and top, but left to right it's crispy. Next level there. Another good color here. I think it's orange, but I'm not 100%. Looks orange. Hold on, sorry. There we go. Julius Creed on the rookie silver, and then we get an orange of Drew McIntyre. Is that orange? It is, to 99 on the O. We still have basically a box left, but Drew McIntyre on the orange, 32 of 99 on the number. Great picture. You know, I'm remembering now that the last time I opened this product, I was really impressed with the footage. That's my favorite part of this product is the footage. I would love to see a one-on-one. Hell yeah, that'd be a dream. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. I'm so disorganized over here. I'm trying to... Oh, these are all... I see. I see what I did here. Right? Yes. Nope. There's a rookie. Sorry, I just want to make sure I'm organizing this correctly here, guys. Yeah, okay. Hold on. It's just a lot easier if I grab one of these. Okay. And now we're back to it. A-Kid on the rookie. Hulk Hogan base. AJ Styles Hyper and Manzer on the unnumbered Ruby Wave. Connors rookie. Damian Priest, Danny Luna rookie. Cameron Grimes Hyper, and then Mustafa Ali on the Ruby Wave, unnumbered. Gabe Stevenson again on the rookie. Malik Blade, rookie. The upside downer kills me. Titus O'Neil, Walter, there's Trish Stratus, Drew McIntyre. Naomi on the silver, Marcel Barthel to 149 with a ridiculously good picture. The clothesline there. Odyssey Jones rookie. Lash Legend rookie. Cesaro on the Hyper. LA Knight on the Ruby Wave. And Mysterio there on the insert. Top load and we'll do that last pile. Trying to take extra good care of your guys' cards for you. Rock's signature would be pretty dreamy. I can't imagine they made him sign that many cards. I feel like who's the number? I mean, The Rock, I know he's not the number one in the product, but he's got to be up there no matter what, right? Can you smell what The Rock is cooking? Where's the gape? Oh, there it is. No, we still have cards left. We've hit 2 autos so far, right? Yeah, 2 autos. We got 2 more to come, hypothetically. Let's continue. The documentaries are crazy, Mini-Me. It's some crazy... It's amazing to think what these people went through when we were younger for this sport. It's different now. All sports are different now. Bailey on the silver. Big E on the unautoed blue. Big E to Mini-Me. That's numbered to 199 on the Big E. Another great picture. Prismatic Von Wagner on the rookie piece. I think I see an auto in the next handful. Jey Uso, Charlotte Flair, Mysterio, Triple H. All these upside downers. Dexter Loomis on the Hyper, and Shawn Michaels. Another great picture. Another great picture on Shawn Michaels there. The Ruby Wave unnumbered. Turner. All right, we got some ink coming up here, I believe. Zach Gibson, Montez Ford, rookie of Amelia McKenzie, Bautista. Joe Gacy on the rookie silver, and then our auto is going to be Gigi Dolan. Gigi Dolan. Isn't she... That's not the girl on the cover, is it? Gigi Dolan. I know nothing about Gigi. Wait, what is she holding? Dead flowers? Are those dead flowers? Ha ha ha. I was at a bodega in New York City that I went to every day. I was boys with the owner, okay? And I used to hang out there all the time and just hang out with the guy that owned the place and ran the place. And one time this guy comes in and he starts like randomly bragging about his girlfriend, telling me that she's like a WWE wrestler and that everybody wants her. I don't remember what her name was, but I feel like it looked like that Gigi girl. I don't know. After he left, I asked my friend who owned the store, I was like, is this guy full of crap or is he telling the truth? He's like, no, he's telling the truth. He's dating some WWE chick. Julius Creed. He was like kind of small too, which was crazy. He was like 5'7", you know, like 150. Everything is upside down. It's tilting me out. Bret the Hitman Hart on the cracked ice. And then we're going to get Eric. Looks like a Viking. Eric on the non-auto red. What is this? Is that what I think it is? It is! Roman Reigns Prismatic to 10. What do they call that? Black gold or something? Or gold? That's to 10. Gold non-auto. Right? Wow. No way. Roman Reigns Prismatic 6 out of 10. Let me take a picture. I know it's an insert. I know the inserts don't do as well as the regular stuff, but that's nasty. It's Roman Reigns. That's great. That's awesome. Let's go. Wow. That is a pretty... I feel like that's a good card. I don't know this sport, but I know this is a good card. He was for a minute, right, Vintage? Who took over? Who's the head honcho these days? Very cool card. Let's go. Beautiful card. Very crispy. Whose is this? They should get this graded. Just want to make sure it's in a top loader that's clean, but... This is Vladdy. Vladdy, you want to get this graded? Everybody's asking us for the Olympics, man. Holy crap, I gotta get the Olympics stuff for us. Wow. Okay, everybody's asking for the Olympics. We got one more auto. They did not short us an auto. We got one more auto coming here. One more auto coming on the horizon. Good luck, everybody. We'll save it for the very end of the handful and the break. It's been a lot of fun hanging out today. Thank you so much for joining me here on the Pop Channel, and thanks for helping me fill this break at the end. Thank you, Vintage, for the push. We appreciate you. Good luck. Here, let's flip this upside down. We got Santos Escobar base. Ultimate Warrior on the silver. And our final auto of the break. SSNSH. Nash Carter is our last auto. A sensational sig of Nash Carter to close it out. Nash Carter, our final piece of ink from the NXT, where the soccer man is the champion. I guess our autos weren't that good in this break, but it seems like the other stuff was okay. Got a nice Triple H. We got that gold of Roman Reigns on the insert. Nice aqua of Triple H. Let's do a recap, shall we? Let's do a recap of the good times and the bad here in PYC 27. No redemptions is right. The silvers. Nice Stone Cold, Creed rookie silver in there. Hulk Hogan silver. The unnumbered Ruby Waves. I try to give you guys a quality recap even if I don't know the sport. The numbered reds, these are the $2.99, and then we have some unnumbered cracked ice. Nice Wendy Chu rookie there, laying down. Sleepy time for her. Brett, the Hitman Hart on the cracked ice. Electra Lopez, rookie cracked ice. Solo on the cracked ice. Oh, there was a... we mixed it up there. Hold on, we mixed it up there. Ruby Waves. There were Ruby Raves. These were the reds. Rampage Brown, Josh Briggs, Eric, and Wendy Chu. Sorry if that got mixed up. And Booker T. Sorry, that's why I did that. A couple base of Gable Stevenson. It's funny, what's supposed to be the greatest recap ever turned into a sloppy recap. Barthel, purple piece to 149. Trent 7 to 149. Mysterio, I love that picture. One of my favorite pictures in the product. That is such a dope picture. These cards are nice. Big E on the blue. Noam Dar also to 199. Drew McIntyre on the orange to 99. And Triple H, Aqua Teal to 49 for Shen. Nice hit. Roman Reigns gold for Vlad. Prismatic. 6 out of 10. Vlad, yeah, might as well get it graded. I would get it graded. And then we had a few ink, a few autos, Nash Carter, Gigi, Noam Dar, and Rey Mysterio were our 4 autographs there. So the autos were not crazy, but the rest of it was cool. I love that gold Roman Reigns. Vladdy, I'll give you instructions on how to grade it in just a moment after I tell everybody. Thank you for joining. Pick your color, number 27. 2022 Panini WWE Prizm Hobby, a 2-box event. Seriously, thank you guys for joining. An excellent way to end the night. Vintage, Mini-Me, Vlad's Ad, Shend, thank you all. That was the break.